ovaries are the female reproductive organs which produce the eggs. There are two of them, and they lie on either side of the uterus. The ovarian cancer is the third leading site of cancer in women in India currently. These tumors are commonly seen in the age group of 40 to 60 years. Coming to the symptoms of ovarian cancer, the early stages are usually asymptomatic. The advanced stages can present with non-specific symptoms like bloating of the abdomen or bowel disturbances like constipation, urinary disturbances, or loss of appetite, weight loss. So if any of these symptoms are persistent for 2 to 3 months, kindly consult your doctor. When such a patient presents to us, we first proceed with a per abdomen and a per vaginal examination. Following this, we get an ultrasound of the abdomen. The ultrasound of the abdomen helps us in diagnosing the tumor. We also get a blood test called CA-125. Raised CA-125 levels are usually indicative of a carcinoma of the ovary. Once the diagnosis of an ovarian cancer has been made, we proceed with a CT scan of the abdomen or a PET scan to stage the disease. This is to know if the tumor is restricted to the ovaries or it has spread elsewhere. The treatment options for ovarian cancer include surgery and chemotherapy. The surgery that is done is called a cytoreductive surgery, where we remove the uterus, both the ovaries, the lymph nodes, and a fatty tissue in the abdomen called the omentum. In young patients with early stage ovarian cancer who want to preserve their fertility, we do something called a fertility preserving surgery. Here we can preserve the uterus and or one unaffected ovary. The chemotherapy options include giving post-operative chemotherapy following the surgery, or in advanced cases of carcinoma ovary where we are unable to operate, we can give chemotherapy in the neoadjuvant setting. This will reduce the size of the tumor and help us in optimally cytoreducing the tumor. Recent advance that has come up in carcinoma of the ovary is intraperitoneal chemotherapy. This is done via two methods. One is during the surgery we place a chemo port in the peritoneal cavity. This will facilitate post-operative administration of chemotherapy into the peritoneal cavity through this port. The other method is called HIPEC, where we give chemotherapeutic drugs into the peritoneal cavity during the surgery. This is done under high temperatures to facilitate penetration of the drug. The overall survival rate of carcinoma of the ovary, 5-year survival, can range from about 90% for stage 1 to about 35% for stage 4, with an average survival rate of about 47%. If diagnosis is made early, cure is possible. So if any of the symptoms mentioned earlier have been noticed and they have been persistent for 2 to 3 months, kindly consult your doctor.